It's 7 o'clock. Okay, I'm awake. Hmm, I feel sleepy, but it's morning now. This is my new apartment, my new home, my apartment, my first morning here. Okay, let's get up. Sit up slowly. Oh, my eyes are still tired. Okay, feet down. Oh no, the floor is very cold. Wow, that is really cold. I don't like that. I need my slippers. Where are my slippers? Hmm, I don't know. That's okay. I am too sleepy. I will find them later. Now, the window. Let me walk to the window. Okay. Curtains. Open. Wow. So much sunlight. The light is warm. It feels nice. Good morning. Good morning, world. I like this window. It is big. I can see outside. My old apartment was very dark. No sunlight. I did not like that. This is much better. This feels good. Okay, time to make the bed. Pick up the blanket, shake it. One, two, three, put it down. Now the pillow, nice and straight. Good. My bed looks clean. Very nice. Good job. Now, the mirror. Let me look. Oh no, my hair is very messy. It is everywhere. That is not good, but it's okay. I can fix it later. Now, wash my face, turn on the water. Okay. Cold water, splash, splash again. Ah, very cold. Wow, that wakes me up. I feel more awake now. That is better. Okay, next, time to brush my teeth. Where is my toothbrush? Here it is. Turn it on. Buzz, buzz. So many bubbles. This is funny. I look funny. Hello. Nice to meet you. You look okay. Maybe a little sleepy, but that is fine. Okay. Done. Rinse. Good. Now, face cream. A little bit on my fingers, on my face. My skin feels soft. Nice. Okay. Now clothes. Let me go to the closet. Open the closet. What do I wear today? This shirt or this shirt? Blue or yellow? I don't know. This is hard. Maybe blue? No. Maybe yellow. Hmm. Okay. Hoodie. I choose my hoodie. It is easy. It's warm. It is soft. I like it. Put it on. Done. Oh, my hair is messy again. That's okay. It's fine. I still look good. Simple is good. Now, kitchen. Walk to the kitchen. Turn on the coffee maker. Click. It is working. I can hear it. Coffee, coffee, coffee. I need coffee. I love coffee. While I wait, says make toast. 2 slices. Put them in. Push down. Good. I like the smell of toast. My kitchen is small, but it is nice. It is clean, and it is mine. That makes me happy. Okay. Coffee is ready. Pour it in my mug. Careful. It is hot. It smells very good. Take a small sip. Perfect. Very nice. Now I feel awake. Now I feel like me. Toast is ready. Good timing. Okay, sit down, eat and drink. Let me check my day, check my phone. Okay, class at 9, class at 11. Meet Tom later. Okay, and not too busy. I can do this, no problem. All right, time to go. Stand up, get my backpack, check my bag, phone, keys, wallet, all good. Everything is here. Okay, see you later. Let's go. Let's have a good day. Let's try our best.